this is how my morning's going. Yep. I'm gonna get these shoes, bro. I'm not playing, bro. I'm gonna get these shoes, bro. So, wait. Before I do anything, look at, you see the cut, bro. You see the cut. But yes, sir! Welcome back with another video, bro. I am running late for these black toe pickups, bro. I'm supposed to be there at 12, bro. I was in the gym this morning, bro. It's 11:39, bro. 11:39, and I gotta pick these shoes up at 12, bro. And I am 18 minutes away. It says I'm arriving at 11:57. I still gotta run in the mall, get all that stuff. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro, because look, 12, if y'all watching this video, I'm speeding, bro. I'm sorry, I don't care. I gotta get these shoes, bro. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, bro, because I am getting them satin black toe ones, bro. I'm not, bro. I've told you I'm not getting left out, bro, on no more releases, bro. I have to at least get one pair. I lost on Snkrs, as y'all saw at the very beginning of this video. Lost on Finish Line, lost on Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, Finish Line. Bro, everything was a dub for me. But DTLR, because I went and did that confirmed reservation. So, I'm on the way there, bro. This light is still red! I'm mad, bro. This light is still... Whoa, focus. I'm a snap, bro. At the end of the day, I can't be too mad because I'm a snap. But I'm trying to hurry up, bro. It says I'm gonna get there at 11:57, bro. I have to be there at 12 or they're gonna sell my pair, bro. I have to still run in the mall. I'm not walking. Walking was dead. Walking been dead. But I'm gonna hit y'all back, bro. I'm hoping this light will turn red. I mean green. I'm mad, bro. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. And I'll hit y'all when I don't know why I'm yelling, bro. I want these shoes. This is an update. Honestly, bro, it was really looking tough for your boy, bro. It's okay, so it says I'll get there at 11:58. I'm really honestly, I'm like right here. 11:58. The mall is literally right over there. It's 11:55, bro. It honestly was looking really tough for me, bro. Well, 11:56 now. It was really looking tough for me. Like, I really probably was gonna be sad. That's really why I don't have that energy no more, because I had like came to terms I'm not getting the shoe. I'm at this dumb light though. So whenever bro, if I don't record like on the way to the store, just know, bro, I had the jet, bro. Okay, we got a green light. Let's go. Come on, let's go. But hey, y'all I'm gonna hit y'all, bro. All right, bro, I'm in the mall. I'm finna head up there right now. It is currently 11:58, bro. It's finna be right on time. Oh my gosh, it almost was a dub, bro. Man. Oh. Excuse me. Not playing, bro. I can see DTLR right now. And people are probably looking at me crazy because I'm running. I don't care. There we go. DTLR, yes sir. We done got it. Hello. I was so close to running late. Close to running late? Yeah, it's like 12, right? The cutoff time? I was speeding like crazy. Thanks. You. I'm finna head. Bro, y'all don't understand, bro. I'm finna go around and look at the other malls, see what's like, you know, if anybody over here got them. I don't think anybody but Jimmy Jazz got them. So I'm gonna just go check them out, ask what their cutoff time is. I doubt the Finish Line over here got them, but yeah, I'm gonna just do that, bro. I'm just happy I got my size, so I'm gonna hit y'all later. All right, so basically, I checked all of them, everywhere sold out. They said at DTLR I was the last one, so bro, and it was people like in the store like willing to try and get mine. They was just waiting until 12 hit. And I walked in at 11:59. So I got lucky. I got real lucky. I got the last one. I'm gonna go back to the house, review these, and then I might vlog the rest of the day. How would y'all feel about that? I might just vlog like the rest of the day because I got the sneaker portion out the way. I'm gonna put the review like very soon, like next couple clips. But I might just vlog the rest of the day just to show you, I don't know, like what I do after a sneaker release. I really don't do much though, because I really just like move everything to the side so like I'm free on sneaker days. But I don't know, bro. It's too black to keep vlogging, so. You hear that? That's the sound of no more stress, bro. This morning was just so hectic, bro. And honestly, let me tell y'all something, bro. Well, at least in Atlanta, bro. Well, I heard that they canceled it, and then I heard, like, for Nike Linux, I heard that they canceled it because it was too hectic. Then I heard they gave stuff out at 8:30, and they actually did it. I don't know. I didn't go down there, bro. I wasn't gonna deal with the hectic because I know this release, because of how much these are selling for, bro. I know, like, people were gonna go crazy, bro. So I wasn't with the first come first service, bro. If you wasn't there like the day before, like yesterday, you wasn't gonna get it. So it was just no point for me doing any first come first service, getting in any line. Didn't hit at Wish Atlanta. Didn't hit on any Foot Locker apps or nothing like that, bro. It was just bad. Sneakers was a dub. Sneakers just is always a dub for me, bro. But we got the shoe. So, about to give you guys the in-depth review right now, bro. I got a size 9 in these satin shatter backboards. What am I gonna do with these? Because I can't wear them. Duh. I'm holding them because I'm pretty sure these is gonna go up in price. If you remember with the shatter backboards, when the satins dropped, the satin shatter backboards, they were nowhere near as high as they are now. I think they're touching like, I think they're all in the K's. I don't think it matters what size the satin shatter backboards, and they're women's shoes too. So I don't know. I think it's about 12. Let me check right quick. Okay, so I lied. It's not like in no 12s or anything like that. But if you have like a 10.5 or an 11, you can sell it for about $1,000. So for the satin shatter backboards, but these are satin black toes. These are OG shoe. These look tougher in the satin shatter backboards to me, bro. I cannot talk today, bro. I'm sorry. I'm just now calming down. All the hype for the day is over with. I'm trying to relax. Okay, now we can unbox this shoe because I haven't seen these yet personally. I have not seen these in person yet. I'm ready to, review these. And I know I'm like teasing y'all because I'm just here talking. I ain't talking about nothing. But let's go ahead and give y'all a sneak peek. Bro, these are tough. Bruh, look at that. Ooh, bro. Oh my gosh. Look, yo. Nah, bruh. Look, yo. Nah, look at this, bruh. Do you see how beautiful this? Yo, nah, bro. They gonna have to make some in my size, bro. I can't even wear these. I couldn't wear any pair, bro, because I wear size 12. And men's, bro, but these, yo, bro. Nah. These look better than I thought they were finna look, bro. Look, yo, nah. Nah. I'm sorry, I keep saying nah, but look at how, like, up to the detail, bro. Like, bro. Yo, like, bruh, ooh-wee, these are tough, bruh. Look, I don't know, bruh, these are tough. Okay, so look, what I'm about to do, bruh, I'm going back to my mom's house so I can put these, in the sneaker inventory. Look, I know last year people said like it was the year for ones, but this year they dropped the hardest ones. Like they dropped some 5 ones last year, and a lot of them, but like the Travis Scott Jordan ones, the LA to Chicago's, these, what else? The Turbo Greens is pretty hard to me. I know it's not like that much of a hype shoe, but like, bruh, they are, yo. I don't think y'all understand. Y'all see that satin, bro. Like that satin is beautiful, bro. Oh my God. Look at the leather on the toe. Bruh. I don't think y'all see. Look at the Jordan logo. It's like, it's not like stitched or like pressed in. It's like an actual whole logo right there, bro. If y'all can see that. Woo-wee. That's the end of this video, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can start vlogging. Like, for like when I do sneaker release, I can vlog the rest of my day. But today I'm not going to because I want to get this video out pretty fast. So if you guys want me to, let me know in the comment section below, bro. I think I would like enjoy it. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Let me know, did you cop the Jordan Satin 1s, bro? Because Bro, you probably should have had to, bro. And what I would advise you, if you can, or you probably should have did this already, like probably 2 days or a day before the release, you should have bought some on StockX, because I think, this is my opinion, that the price is gonna go up and it's gonna skyrocket just like the satin shadow backboard. So that's what I would do, but I'm not doing it because I got these for retail, so I'm gonna win regardless. That's the end of this video, bro. These are tough. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll have an outro soon.
Is that you, King?